Hi, I'm Jen Twaits. I'm an applications engineer with CareStream. Today, I'll demo our CareStream DRX-Excel Plus system. The workflow has been optimized by combining both fluoroscopy and general imaging capabilities in one compact unit. The result is increased productivity, high-resolution images, and a wide range of exams on a single system. We offer two configurations. The first is a digital configuration with a 43 by 43 dynamic flat panel digital detector for both rad and fluoroscopy. Outside the US and Canada, we offer a conventional configuration utilizing an image intensifier with high-resolution CCD camera. The DRX-Excel Plus table has a very low profile, lowering to just 48 centimeters from the ground. It is the lowest in the industry, making it easily accessible for pediatric and wheelchair patients. The table-side control pad allows the user to control all table movements, including height, tilt, panning, and tube movements. It can also control the motorized compression cone, the grid, and the collimator light. From the table, there is a button that will allow you to switch from tracking mode to direct mode, giving you the ability to switch to a CR cassette or a wireless detector. The system offers motorized table tilting, ranging from -90 degrees to +90 degrees, which means the table can be tilted to the upright position in either direction, giving you the highest level of flexibility. The XL Plus table has built-in anti-collision sensors to ensure patient safety when positioning remotely. Its four-way float table movement provides a full patient coverage of 201 centimeters, allowing effortless positioning of even the tallest individuals. An optional motorized compression cone or a compression band can be added to the table to assist the physician whenever a compression is needed during an exam. The system uses a 43 by 43 dynamic detector that can capture up to 30 frames per second. The large format allows full coverage with minimal repositioning of the patient, table, or tube during a fluoroscopic exam. The detector is integrated into the table and offers superb image quality for both fluoroscopic and general procedures. Both the table and the optional footrest can support up to 265 kilograms, accommodating heavier patients without any limitations to the table movement. The system design allows for full patient access from both the front and back side of the table, which means easier patient transfer and versatility of exams. The DRX-Excel Plus was designed to make the examination experience as calm and comfortable as possible. Ambient lighting and music help put the patient at ease throughout the duration of their procedure. Additionally, the table can be operated with an optional hands-free positioning pedal, giving physicians the ability to maintain a sterile field while still having control of the equipment. Direct mode allows the tube to be unpaired from the detector, so that the tube can be paired with a different device, such as a CR cassette or wireless DR detector. The tube is motorized and can be rotated from positive to negative 180 degrees for use with a wall stand. There is a variable SID of 110 to 180 centimeters, supporting both extremity work and chest imaging. Automatic tracking between the tube and the detector ensures there is always perfect alignment. The touchscreen collimator is another work zone for the technologist. It allows for all movements of the table as well as the control of generator parameters. A camera integrated into the collimator helps to monitor the patient and aid in positioning without the use of radiation from the control console. Additionally, an optional handheld remote gives access to table movements from anywhere in the room. The easy-to-use console features a large 30.5 centimeter color touchscreen and intuitive controls. It integrates all table movements, generator settings, and collimator controls. It is equipped with both a camera and a microphone. It provides access to live video with full screen viewing. With a simple press of the Move button, the table will automatically position itself based on examination settings, increasing the speed of the exam. The centering button on each joystick allows you to return to a home position quickly. During a fluoro procedure, the last image hold freezes the last image on the display monitor. The image can be reviewed without the need for additional radiation. Last fluoro hold is an optional feature that stores the last 256 frames captured during a fluoroscopic exam. From the work list, you can select from the current work list or manually enter a new patient. There's also a trauma button, allowing you to image immediately without entering in patient information. For timed studies, you can suspend an exam from the image acquisition screen. Suspended exams can be easily accessed from the main work list screen. From the acquisition screen, there are two tabs, giving the technologist the ability to quickly switch between a gen rad and a fluoro study. The software supports procedure mapping. You can link your risk codes to the procedures on the DRX-Excel Plus system, greatly increasing the speed of your workflow. At the acquisition screen, you can easily change the patient size, which will automatically change the generator technique. You can also add views, accept and reject images, and review your images with a wide range of image editing tools. GenRad images are automatically stored after they are acquired. For fluoro, the images can be stored using either retrospective or prospective storing, giving the radiologist flexibility that can be customized to a procedure. When performing a fluoroscopic exam, you can choose between 3 different types of image acquisition. Single shot, which can be used for scout and overhead images, in addition to fluoro and sequence imaging. The system supports up to a 100 kW generator. An effort was given to the structure and design to ensure that the system is easily accessible for routine maintenance. You can connect directly by VPN to obtain information about the unit's state either remotely or on-site. With Carestream, you are at the center of an extensive and experienced support network that is passionately focused on your ongoing success.